Isn't it frustrating to see this on your dashboard? Sure sucks to see this staring back at you after trying too hard for too long. I can relate because this used to be me not long ago. That was until I cracked the code and I started cranking out commissions day in and day out, without clocking in my usual 12 to 15 hour days. And if you've been searching high and low for the easiest way to generate 3, 4, and 5-figure paydays with products you don't have to create, you are about to discover just that in a few minutes from now. Sounds fantastic? I thought so. The truth is, making money online isn't as hard as people are led to believe. That didn't make sense to me at first. After months of trial and error, well, mostly error, I made my first affiliate commission. So I kept doing what I was doing, and I saw more of these notifications flooding my inbox. Promoting affiliate offers boils down to 3 main things: finding a high-converting offer, finding the right audience, and crafting the right message. That's how simple it is, and this works across multiple niches and practically any offer with an affiliate program. If you like what you see and you want to start owning these results, then I'd like to introduce you to the Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. This is my private blueprint that I follow religiously for every affiliate promotion I back every single time. For a long time, this has been for my personal use. Finally, I have repurposed my blueprint as a training program for you to show you how to take your affiliate business to the next level. You will learn the plan and strategy to become the next super affiliate, how to choose the most profitable products to promote, where to find your target audience, and how to turn them into buyers. I don't want to make tall promises, but consider this for a moment. If this training program can pave the way to bring in even as little as $100 days, how much do you think my blueprint is worth to you? The same blueprint is pocketing extraordinary sums for other ordinary folks out there. So you can potentially make high 5 figures with the same approach, and that's exactly how much this blueprint is worth to you. Get instant access to this blueprint by clicking on the Buy Now button and give your affiliate income the boost it deserves.